Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will compare Honda HR-V versus Volkswagen Tiguan. Let's dive into what makes each of these compact SUVs a strong contender. The HR-V is known for its practicality and efficiency, while the Tiguan offers a more powerful engine and a refined driving experience. We'll explore their key differences to help you decide which one best fits your lifestyle. When it comes to power, the Tiguan takes the lead with its turbocharged engine, delivering 201 horsepower. The HR-V provides a reliable 158 horsepower from its 2.0-liter engine. For fuel efficiency, the Tiguan slightly edges out the HR-V on the highway in front-wheel drive models, offering up to 34 miles per gallon. Both SUVs comfortably seat 5, but their cargo capacities differ. The Tiguan offers a bit more space behind the rear seats and a larger maximum cargo volume when those seats are folded down. The HR-V's interior is thoughtfully designed for everyday usability, while the Tiguan emphasizes a more upscale feel with generous legroom for all passengers. Both vehicles come equipped with modern technology and safety features. The HR-V offers Honda Sensing, while the Tiguan includes IQ, driver assistance. The Tiguan also boasts larger infotainment screens, enhancing the user experience. Ultimately, your choice depends on whether you prioritize the HR-V's accessible price and efficiency or the Tiguan's added power and premium touches. Check the description for a link to leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.